Hi, it's Lisa with Passionfruit Arts, and we are cooking up all things pumpkin. We've been in the kitchen for the past few weeks making all sorts of pumpkin spice delights. So one misconception is that pumpkin flavor is actually the pumpkin vegetable, which is actually even a fruit. But it's actually the pumpkin pie spice, which is warm and sweet and savory with cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, allspice, and ginger. So this spice blend is really popular and being incorporated into all sorts of foods and snacks and dishes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you want to make this homemade pumpkin spice mix yourself, it's really easy. I've got a quick tutorial and recipe you can try out and make a batch of it at home and make your own pumpkin spice lattes, and you can make everything from pumpkin spice French toast and pancakes and waffles and pumpkin crepes to pumpkin stews and even a pumpkin smoothie I have a recipe for. So go ahead and experiment and let me know what you like, because it's fun. You know, the recipe I have for pumpkin spiced muffins is a favorite with the kids, and it will help kind of spice up and warm up your recipes as it's getting cold and we're getting towards winter. All right, enjoy. Let me know how you like the recipes and what you would like to see, and any questions you have. I am always available to talk about seasonal eating and spices and how to spice up your life, because that is what I love at Passionfruit Arts. So please subscribe. Hit the notifications button so you know when my new videos come out. You don't miss anything, and enjoy.